For now, February, also National Pet Dental Health Month.
And according to the American Veterinary Medical Association, you shouldn't turn your nose at your pet's bad breath because it could indicate some other health problems. Our Mark S. Allen bringing us help from the experts. Mark, you've had your hands full in Orangevale all morning long. What can we learn from this?
Well, first of all, the dogs are offended by my breath. I've been drinking coffee since 2 a.m. However, yeah, it's very important to think about your pets and their dental health. This is Dr. Jill. If you grew up in Sacramento, you've probably seen her on TV before. You love telling people about their pet's health, and specifically right now, we're talking about teeth.
Yep. National Pet Dental Month. Really important topic for your pets.
Like, how many pets do you see that are coming in specifically because their dental was neglected?
Oh my gosh, so many. Probably 50% of my patients have dental disease.
And she was telling me earlier that we should be brushing our pets' teeth 3 times a week. That sounds intimidating.
A little bit. I mean, if you could do it once a day, that'd be even better, of course. But imagine having a dog for 14 years and never brushing its teeth. They're going to fall out, right? I mean, it's going to happen.
Yeah, if you take a look, come in close on this so that we don't have to interrupt Tulip and her chew toy there. If you see that decay and tartar, exactly what happens with humans, it happens with our dogs. We got to prevent it.
Yeah, look at that's normal. That's not. Look at that red gum line. I see a lot of that coming in.
Not.
Right. Look at the tartar buildup on there. That creates, can cause cardiac and kidney disease, as well as dental infections, abscesses. So we like to recommend certain products. I'm a big fan of ozone therapy, which many
that's relatively new. Like your people dentist are talking about this now.
Right. Ozone's an amazing modality. We use ozone oil. We can actually do what's called oil pulling, where we put that on their teeth, and we can use it to keep their teeth clean. It's an antibacterial. We flush their mouths with it.
And let's talk about this. That looks like that could be kind of helpful too. What's going on there?
Yeah, that's a little dental toothbrush right there, a little finger brush, right?
That's awesome. Last hour we talked about breeds, and it was brought up that Chihuahuas inherently bad. I had a Greyhound that cost thousands upon thousands for this rescue because of bad dental.
Yeah, and you don't want to have your pet's teeth extracted. Who wants to have your dog's teeth pulled?
And what are some breeds that are inherently, if we get this breed, we know it's coming with a dental charge?
Well, usually it's the Chihuahuas. They're high on the list. Poodles, Dachshunds, your smaller breeds.
Hold on a second. Howard, we're broadcasting. Your dog, Howard, very spirited. So in essence, we need to be brushing 3 times a week. You, by the way, most veterinarians, if you look over here, you have legitimate dental gear. So pretty much anything that can be done in a dentist, if it gets that bad, you can do it here.
Yeah. Or there's veterinary dentists now, too. They can do root canals, believe it or not. We extract teeth, all kinds of things.
That is awesome. Howard, I'm a little jealous. I can't wait to be grabbing myself a steak and maybe a ribeye as well. All right, take care of your pet's teeth. We barely scratched the surface about cats, but they count too. Dr. Jill is online. I'm going to link all of her information to my Facebook page. It's Mark S. Allen Show, or as always, abc10.com. Questions, comments, concerns?
No, I was just telling Bria, we just brought our dog in with the anesthesia, the complete teeth clean. I mean, it's not cheap. No. It's, it could be $600-700. It could be more than $1,000. Ask Dr. Jill, does that have to happen once a year?
Yeah, when we're talking about deep cleaning, bringing him in for vet services, do you recommend that we come in at least once a year with our pet for that?
A minimum of once a year. And there's anesthetic dental cleanings and anesthetic-free dental cleanings. So the anesthetic-free dental cleanings are great for pets that can't go under anesthesia. Also, as a routine, we can clean them up every 6 months. It won't be so bad every year then.
It's so weird. It's though she heard exactly what you were talking about, but she didn't. That's cool. Back to you.
Yeah, exactly.
Daily dental bones, I think, helps too. At least you get something going on. All right, Mark, Dr. Jill, thank you so much.